this is the instant steamer frother. Let me show you how it works. This is the base, this is the actual cup and the lid, and it has a little, this is a little whisker thingy, and it's removable as well. You just take it off and then you stick it back on. Super easy. Look at that. So the minute you put this on the base, this light comes on. And these are the functions. So the first setting is cold foam. This is light foam, heavier foam, and this is steam. This is how you steam your milk. Let me show you how it works. I'm pouring my creamer. Small amount. I put on the lid, and I want my milk steamed. So the setting here is steam. You just press start. You don't even hear it. And look at that. It's actually working, but it's literally so quiet. Literally, like, it's almost soundless. And it takes pretty quick to steam up your milk. If you want it really, really hot, once it's done with this round, you take it off, you put it back on, and you redo it. Simple as that. Still working. See? Look at the steam on the lid. It's getting all foggy. Amazing. I love it. I got it a couple weeks ago. We've been using it every single day ever since.
I bought this on June 12th. It's now the end of July. It worked up until a few days ago, and the words wore off right away that said stop and start or whatever here. It's plugged in. It's clean at the bottom. I cleaned it like I said in the directions, but that would make a difference. So it's 30 some odd days old. It's plugged in, and nothing. Doesn't light up for cold or hot, and I'm disappointed because I really liked it, but disappointed, to say the least. I don't know whether to return it, or I guess I can't because the window is closed for return. I gotta decide what to do.
So the light just flashes, all the labeling has worn off. try to hit the functions to make it go to the different settings. When I push start, nothing happens. Turn it off. Lift it up.